What's up guys, Franklin here. I try side hustles so you don't have to. Next up is going to be DoorDash. Easy to sign up. You can start making money right away. I was approved pretty quickly. You need to be 18, have a driver's license or an ID, commit to a background check, have a social security for that, and have to have either a car, a bicycle, or a scooter. That's it. I've done 1 week and about 3 hours a day for 5 days, and it's pretty simple. You're basically a glorified delivery driver, 1099 contractor. So you set your own hours, your own rate. You can be your own boss, all that. But you also are beholden to the customers, the restaurants and their efficiencies, what the customer tips, and also DoorDash's orders and their algorithm. All in all, I made about, for 3 hour shift, about $29 was my worst shift. Made the mistake of accepting every order, even $2.50 orders, which was a total waste of time. My best one was about 66 bucks an hour. In the 6 days that I drove, I made $260, less 30 bucks for gas. And if you want to truly calculate it, there was wear and tear on my car and insurance costs and all of that. IRS says it's about 58 cents a mile in 2021 as of now. So you do have to take those costs into account. Oh, one of the most common expenses is going to be gas. We're at $3.39 here. Fill up. Not bad. Some helpful things to have when you're door dashing is definitely a charged phone. You want to be 100% or pretty high up there. If you don't have that, definitely bring a charging brick because you do not want your phone to die mid-shift. The second thing you definitely will need is a hot bag or an insulated bag. DoorDash will send you one. I'd recommend getting one on Amazon. Once you start making some money, you can get a much nicer one that holds way more food. Third thing is either something to listen to, either the radio, it kind of gets old after a while, but if you have a good audiobook, a couple of good podcasts, it really makes the time go fly. All right, so you've basically got the full overview. Let's actually do a delivery in real time.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and launch the app. You see this, you can actually schedule in advance, and this is the ratings. Since I have less than 100 deliveries, ratings really don't affect me as much yet. The acceptance rate doesn't really matter from what I've told, so only you just be a top dasher. These are my earnings as well. You can see the entire week is 258 bucks. And if you actually divide that by the number of active hours, it's more like $21. But if you divide it by the entire dash time, 16 hours, it goes to about 16 bucks an hour. So this is time spent waiting, not making deliveries, that kind of thing. So let me set an hour, just trial this out. And as you can see, I'm near a hot zone or a hot spot. This is where a higher concentration of orders is coming in. So it'll increase the chances that you get an order quicker versus if you were off further away from those little hotspot areas. So typically this will take a couple of minutes. I got a text message that says go to Wendy's. This is below my threshold. I like to do at least $10. And also this layout is kind of weird. You go to the store, then you backtrack and go to the house. So I'm going to decline this, and it just says the order is too small. So you're a contractor, you can call the shots, and you don't have to take everything under the sun. Next up is perfect. This is over $10. It's right where I'm at after, and then it's just a straight shot down one road. So I'm going to go over and pick it up at Austin's, and then I'd like to double check to see what's in the order. I'd really look for drinks. Looks like there's 3 drinks here, so just make a mental note of that when I pick it up. So everything looks good, and it's 3 minutes away.
Head east.
And you just pretty much go. All right, made it to the restaurant, Austin's. So let's go inside, tell the host or hostess that we're ready. We got a DoorDash, and then we deliver to our customer.
All right, so I am arriving at the store, double checking the order, click arrived at store, and then head on in.
All right, got the order here. 3 drinks. Time to deliver it.
Okay, so I've got the order, double check everything, mainly drinks, and then I confirm pickup, and then it will give me the address of the customer. Go ahead and punch that into Google, and I'm on my way.
Alright, got the drinks, no spills, got the food. And we're set.
Alright, so I dropped it off at the door, like they said. It's gonna prompt you to take a photo. Just snap a quick photo, use that, and then go ahead, it'll load a bit, and then you can click complete delivery. If it was good or bad, you can add some feedback. I'll go ahead, easy drop off, and nice merchant, and confirm. And it looks like that was $12.50. I got a $6 tip, and DoorDash paid me $6.50, just a little bit over $1 per mile. So this was a pretty good order, and we'd go ahead and do it again. Thanks so much for watching this video. It would mean the world if you'd like and subscribe. And check out the description below. I've got some helpful links to help you in your DoorDash journey. Now to review this, if I would actually do this as a real side hustle full-time, I would not. Here's why. So this is perfect for getting some extra cash. If you wanted to save up for a trip or wanted to buy something extra for yourself, this is perfect for that. It's really flexible. I could dash it anytime. I think it's because maybe I was new, but it's fairly flexible. As you get more and more experienced, I think you have to sign up for shifts. So that's a 4 out of 5 from me. Flexibility and just the ease of the job is pretty high. I'd go with maybe a 4 out of 5 out of that on that, because it's pretty chill. You can listen to your own stuff, your own radio. You can stop anytime you want, and you're really only beholden to the deliveries that you accept. Now the growth potential, I'm going to put a 1 out of 5. You really are at the mercy of DoorDash. You're driving a lot. After expenses like gas and insurance and maintenance and taxes, you're not making as much as you think. And there's really no way to scale this up. You're a one-person show. Once you stop driving, you stop earning. And that's why it's only good for sort of side income. I would not make this full-time. So overall, easy enough to get some extra cash. Short term, perfect. Job is easy, chill, and you have some autonomy there. Not a long-term prospect. And I'm pretty thankful I tried it out. I got to drive and find new restaurants and new neighborhoods in my town while I would otherwise be on TikTok or something.